अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। आज हम वारंट के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। व्हाट इज़ वारंट? व्हेन अ पुलिस ऑफिसर्स मे अरेस्ट विदाउट वारंट, अरेस्ट विदाउट वारंट, यानी कि वारंट एक जायज़ होता है, ज़िम्मेदार होता है, ज़िम्मेदारी लेना होता है, यानी कि हुक्माना जो अदालत जो हुक्म करती है, चाहे वो दीवानी हो चाहे वो फौजदारी हो, बेबस गिरफ्तारी मुजरिम जो तौहीन अदालत के सादिर हो, यानी कि जो वारंट केस मुकदमा काबिले इजराए वारंट कहा जाता है जिसे, यानी मुकदमा काबिले हुक्माना गिरफ्तारी जो कानून पाकिस्तान के मुकदमात काबिले इजराए वारंट से मुकदमे के मुतल्लिक ऐसे जराइम जो इससे मुराद हैं जो काबिले सज़ाए मौत जैसे दवामिया कैद या 6 माह के हों या इसके अलावा जो सज़ा दी जाए उसके मुतल्लिक हो, चाहे वो वारंट फांसी का हो, चाहे वो डिसिस्टा हो, यानी ये यहाँ पर तहरीर किया गया है कि किसी ने जो कंपनी के नाम जो महदूद है, बैंक के नाम जो लिखती है, उसका हिस्सेदार, उसका नाम मुतला किया हुआ रकम अदा की जाए, तहरीर होगा। वारंट आम साबिक में वारंट को साब में कहा जाता है कि ये तहरीर नाम मुलजिम या मुलजमान के मशहूर इख्तियार गिरफ्तारी अशखास मुंतशर के जारी होता है। जो जेल वारंट जेलर जो होता है जो उस शख्स के नाम पर जेल में रखा जाए, यानी वारंट तलाशी का इजाज़तनामा, वारंट सर्च कहा जाता है, यानी इख्तियारनामा सर्च वारंट। तो अंडर सेक्शन 54 CRPC of the court of police officer may be arrest any person without warrant who has been concerned in any cognizable offences or against whom and reasonable complaint has been made creditable. Information has been received on reasonable suspicion, exits of his having been so concerned. Cases where the police officer may be arrested without arrest are specified in schedule 2nd columns 3rd of the Code of Criminal Procedure established 1898. Section 54 enumerates 9 categories under which the police may arrest without warrant. Relevant provision: Section 54, Section 59, Section 64, Section 65, Section 151 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1898 established. So, according to the Black Law Dictionary, my word, this my notes, a right directing to authorize something to do an act, one directing a law enforced to make an arrest, a search or a seizures. So criminal procedure 1973, 70 section and 72 of the criminal procedure code. In judicial process, a document authorizing any person to anything, a right issue by a competent magistrate authorizing any officer to make arrest as seizures, a search, or to do any other said incident to the administration or justice. So arrest is issued by a court directed to a police officer. Required of a valid warrant. In writing, bear the name of the person who is to execute it. C. Bear the designations of the person who is to execute. Given full name and discretions of the person to be arrested. E. State offense charge. F. Signed by presiding officer. Signed by presiding officer. So B. Cited. Types of warrant. I explain you. Following the types of warrant. So bench warrant. Second, blanket search warrant. Third, border warrant. Fourth, commitment warrant. Fifth, death warrant. Sixth, distress warrant. Seventh, escape warrant. 8, extra warrant. 9, general warrant. 10, justice warrant. 11, landlord warrant. 12, outstanding warrant. 13, peace warrant. 14, processory warrant. 16, preliminary warrant. 17, probation violation warrant. 17, radiation warrant. 17, search warrant. 17, search warrant. 18, citations entry warrant. 19, tax warrant. 20, valid warrant. 21, violation warrant. 22, warrant of arrest. 23, warrant of commitment. 24, deposit warrant. 25, interest warrant. 26, municipal warrant. 27, tax anticipation warrant. 27, treasury warrant. 29, county warrant. I explain you a person who may arrest without warrant. So any police officer under section 54, under section 565, under section 401, clause 3, second officer in charge of police station under section 55, third private person under section 59, under section 88. Right now, justice of peace. 5, justice of peace. 6, magistrate under section 64, 65. Power of police officer to arrest without warrant. any police officers may, without in order from magistrate and without arrest, a person concerned in cognizable charge offenses, person profession of implements of house breaking, any proclaim officer PO, person in profession suspended stolen property, D, upstanding any police officers, any disaster armed forces, person appreciated under law of execution, extradition, any release convicted committing bench of rule under section 565. Arrest, regulations by any other police officers, person committing non-cognizable officers in any presence of police officer. For example, I explain you. Refusal of name, father's name and etc. Designation of committee cognizable offense under section 151. Cancellation of bail or cancellation of suspension of the sentence or cancellation of remissions by the government under section 401 clause 3. Final analysis I explain you. The police authorized may arrest without warrant under these sections in these provisions. So which power is so vast of the very time that they can be exercised. Any person can be arrested against whom any recognizable complaint has been made, credible information received, reasonable suspicion exit of his offense when the accused of procedure before a magistrate, obtaining remand that the police should have some tangible evidence with the on the which the suspicion about the involvement of the accused in converted belief, and there should be ground be show the execution the information well founded. So police can arrest any person whom a reasonable complaint is made, credible information receive or reasonable suspicion exit, filing the calandra after arrest with the illegal power give to police officer ensures upon the liberty of a person has to be construed interpreted. I explain you. I interpret you. So and defined strictly an arrest which is beyond the provision of this section would the illegal and void pursue. Trial is absence is no trial in the eyes of law. Power give to police officer encroaches upon the liberty of a person and has to be construed strictly. Expressions, credible information used into section is not technical legal expressions importing that the information must be given upon oath or solemn affirmations is must be at least founded on some defined fact tending through suspicion on the person arrested and the not view Vargu surprise information arrest without showing the police diary would be illegal detention under the provision of clause 1st of section 54 CRPC. The police officer can arrest a person in the cognizable offense if the accused is involved in the cognizable offense. The accused involved in the cognizable offense. The accused involved in the cognizable complaint has been made in the said officers. A credible information is received by the police officer that is involved in cognizable officer and the reasonable suspicion exists that the said person is involved in the cognizable officers in this offense. Involved in the cognizable offense is High Court after having the report of arrest under section 55 detain you under section 55 as made first directed to transfer to officials reasonable of the legal detentions to police line and to conduct inquiry against the officials. Supreme Court declining to interfere further directing that police officer to conduct inquiry independency and submit the report to High Court, and if inquiry officer final the accused officials not involved in the matter, the officer could make recommendations. So to the High Court that the order to keeping the official to police line might to without when they withdraw. The police authorized may arrest without warrant under section with a power to so vast and inebriated that the can or exercised. At this decision, direction of the free of the checked in cognizable offense, any of persons can be arrested by the section officer, station house police officers, SHO, or caused to be arrested by him through him subordinates or officers or others. If any such person is found taking precautions to cancel his presence within the limit of the such station under circumstances जो हालात व वाक़यात circumstances which offered reason to believe that he is taking such precautions with a view committing cognizable offense. Any such person is found within a limit of the such station having offenses means of subsistence, or we can't give stability account of him, or any breaker or thief who is by report habitual robber house, breaker of thief, or an habitual receiver of stolen property. Nine, it is to be stolen, or when the report habitually committed. Extortion or in order. Extortion in order to the committing of extortion habitually puts attempts or put person of fear of inquiry, their injury. So both these sections 54 and 55 vest power of the arrest and detentions without warrant. So you write now my lecture, very important lecture today. Please subscribe on my channel, Legal Talk Network, justice for everyone. But only to be circumstances and different under which such power could be used in discretions of police.